All right. I'm not one to get on the bandwagon for water bottle or coffee mug trends. In fact, I don't own any of the popular bottle brands as of yet. I'm more concerned about function and whether it's going to spill all over my purse if and when it falls over. But this insulated Thermos brand bottle is a cat's meow. My daughter throws it in her bag with her laptop and her bag stays dry. I know, that's pretty risky. But when she found this mug, she knew she just had to get me one. So here I am giving it the shake test, and we are leak-free, ladies and gentlemen. My hubby stole it from me and took it to work the other day. He said it kept his coffee so hot that in order to drink it, he had to pour it into a mug to cool it down. Aside from this, we both love that it fits well in the cup holder of our car or in our backpack. For this reason, I recommend this Thermos insulated bottle.